Hello everyone, this is Bogong machinery. Today I will introduce you to a floor type sewed machine. First, let's take a look at its appearance. This is a sewed machine, so the whole machine is made of sheet metal protective shell and acrylic protective plate. Of course, you can see the inside according to the acrylic. This is a manual door. After opening the cover, here is the core working area of this machine. Include columns, galvanometers, working benches, computer displays, and double red light. It helps us to confirm light focus. In such a machine, one of the most important parts is the galvanometers. It affects the final effects of whole machine made products. We use the 3D galvanometer brand of Feltec, which is a very well-known 3D galvanometer company in China. Quality and stability are first class. Doors on open side can be opened. Open side covered, and you can see the components through the work area. Open the cover under the work table. You can see the computer chassis and later. The above one is the computer chassis, and the under one is the later source. Second, turn on the bottom gavel hand cover and the bottom layer source power. And third, adjust height of gavel hand to find the focus with double red light. To find the light focus. Now you can start your work. Let's see the computer displays. As we can see, there are three software: Correct 3D, Landmark 3D, and Landmark 3DS. Pull out the mezzanine, and the entire work process requires the mouse keyboard to operate. As we can see, all our software is available in English, and we have plenty of tutorials to teach you how to use the software and the machines correctly. This is a machine accessory called a rotary axis that can be used for marking and engraving the inner and outer of rings and bracelets.